good, it was so spicy.
In fact, it was so spicy that it made my stomach hurt all night long. So if you have a weak stomach like me, definitely be careful with the spicy food in Korea. Hi guys, it's Kate, and as I said in the beginning of the video, this day didn't start very hot because I woke up with a massive stomach pain, so I sent my boyfriend to buy me some medicine.
It's like sesame.
And honestly, this thing really helps, so I wish I could buy more to just bring it home with me. But yeah, I was ready to start the day.
So I used some skincare that I bought yesterday in Olive Young, and my skin is literally glowing. Let's get ready. I don't know why, but I'm breaking out on my forehead so bad.
So that is my makeup for today. I decided to go very natural and it's really glowy and I love it. And yeah, it's time to go to Rain Report Cafe. So we started our day with Itaewon, and honestly I didn't expect it to be such a hike to get to this cafe. I was thinking it's gonna be a light walk, but honestly I was sweating my ass. But finally we made it and it was totally worth it. Just look at this entrance. I got this rainforest vibes from this cafe and I absolutely love it. So this is what we got in the cafe. We got this black cheesecake and a matcha infused soda drink and also a chocolate latte coffee. And honestly, everything was really good, and the cheesecake was a little bit average but still good, so I thoroughly enjoyed that. And the cafe was super chill and great for pictures, so I will definitely recommend it if you want to check it out. I put the location in the description. I think the best part of this cafe is when they turn on this fake rain, so you feel like you're just standing in the rain, and you can take this umbrella that they have and you can take as many pictures or videos as you want. And I think it's such a cool concept, so definitely check it out if you're ever in Seoul. After the cafe, of course, I have to do a little fit check, and if you're interested to see more pictures from Seoul, please follow me on Instagram. After a few hours in cafe, we decided to take a bus and go to Myeongdong for a little bit more shopping, because if you're abroad, of course, you gotta buy a lot of stuff. I was honestly surprised that they have so many stores with used cameras. I was tempted to go in, but I didn't, so maybe next time. So we came to this outdoor market. Like, there are so many cheap stuff that you can buy. I honestly don't remember the street name, but it was definitely somewhere in Myeongdong. We were walking around and we stumbled upon this mall, which I don't remember the name of, but they had this Jenny X Gentle Monster pop-up, which was pretty cool to see. And yeah, but honestly, there was not that many stuff that would interest me except for this shop. It was really cool. So we decided to go out and walk around the streets and see what's there. Also there we saw so many makeup stores and skincare stores with much better prices than Olive Young, so definitely check it out if you're in Myeongdong and you're looking for cheaper skincare and makeup, because honestly I bought like an eyebrow pencil and it was literally like $1 or $2. I also saw this jewelry store where you can buy literally any piece of jewelry you need, and they have those pictures of K-pop stars and actors with their like earrings or anything, and you can literally buy the copy of it, so that was really cool. But honestly, I didn't buy anything, but maybe next time. After that, we went to this clothing store called Spao, I believe, and I never seen this one before, but I decided to grab some stuff because they had like a cute sweater with this bear and I just couldn't help myself, so yeah, I spent some money there. Then we found this cool K-pop store and they had literally anything you can think of, like everything of your favorite K-pop star, they had it. So they even had those light sticks that you take to the concert, which I thought was super cool. So yeah, definitely check it out if you're into this stuff. As we were walking more, we stumbled upon this shop that was also a cafe, and it was bulldog themed, which was super cool. So we decided to grab a small coffee and just sit there for a bit because my legs were killing me. And just look at this drink, isn't it adorable? Honestly, it was just a piece of ice shaped like a bulldog, but it was super cute. The coffee was okay, it was just iced Americano, but yeah, definitely nice vibes in this place. There was also a lot of street food, which was super cool, so I decided to grab this coin filled with cheese, which was pretty good, and my boyfriend decided to get this fried squid, which he said was also not bad. There was also a lot of cute stores with all the keychains and phone cases, which was really nice. And yeah, they had like a million of those, so I couldn't really decide what I wanted, so I didn't buy like anything. Of course, there was even more outdoor food and outdoor shopping, so we decided to walk on the street and see what's there. And I decided I want to grab some of those candied fruits. I forgot the name, but yeah, I found it and it was delicious. Then I had to sit in some random shop for a bit because my feet were killing me. And yeah, definitely don't walk a lot in loafers and choose like a very comfortable shoes. Don't make a mistake like me because my feet were dying. But we also saw this cool stuff from Squid Game and I was tempted to buy it, but I didn't. It was dinner time, so we decided to try some local foods, and we saw this kimbap place and we decided to order one shrimp kimbap and one jjajangmyeon. And honestly, the kimbap was so good, but the jjajangmyeon didn't really taste like a normal jjajangmyeon. I don't know, it was like a little bit tasteless, but the kimbap was really good, except for the sauces. And we saw this funny guy dancing on the street. It was finally time to head back to the hotel and just take a rest because we were walking since 10 a.m. and it was already like 6 or 7, so yeah, that's crazy. So we decided to go to hotel and just chill at the pool, but I didn't swim because they ask you to like wear a swimming cap, and I'm like, oh hell no, I'm not putting that on my head, so I was just chilling on the chair and put my feet in the water. And they also have a gym, so yeah, that was cool. So I finally made it to my bed and I decided to try this protein drink that I bought yesterday, and honestly it was really good, but you still can taste those protein powders that they put there, if you know what I mean, but this one was pretty good. And I also grabbed those crisps. It was like a chocolate croissant puff kind of thing, and it was also really good, so definitely recommend you that. And then around 10 p.m. we decided we want some pizza, so we got that, but honestly it was mid, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, follow for more, and I will see you soon in my next vlog, which is Seoul Day 3. And this one will be probably super long because we did a lot of stuff. So yeah, come back for that one and I will see you then. Bye!